Hi everyone, thanks for coming to Painted By. Today we're gonna paint these cute, silly, colorful birds. We have Cleo with us.
Hi.
Hey Cleo, how are ya?
Good.
Here's your paintbrush. Here's my paintbrush. Should we talk about the supplies we're using?
Yeah.
We have our watercolor papers, our paintbrushes, my messy watercolor paints, Cleo's watercolor paints, 2 jars of water, pencils, and we each have a paper towel. Also have these thin markers that you can use, or if you don't have them, you can use like a pen or any marker you have.
Are we just gonna do little balls, but when they're sideways, then you're gonna do like a ball and a tail?
Yeah, kind of. So we're just gonna start by doing blobs of colorful cuteness. And then when they dry, we're gonna grab our markers, our pens, and we're gonna draw the details on there. So grab your first color that you wanna do.
Could I do like purple and blue?
Yeah, so grab your purple first and just do a little blob. Great. Okay, now let's add another color in that. You can either, we're gonna do wet on wet right now, where you drop wet paint or wet water on top of wet paint. So what did you want to add?
Blue.
Blue. So hurry and grab that. I'll do blue too. And I'm just gonna do one drop right here. Just drop it, don't mix it in. Good. Okay, mine's a little bit dark, so I'm going to dry off my brush, get a dry brush, and pick some of that pigment up. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's do our next blob.
Did you mean to mix it into yellow? Like I meant green.
Well, I added blue onto yellow, huh?
Yeah, but like, did you mean to do that?
Well, that's just what happened. That's cute. Okay, now I'm going to grab a purple. I'm going to do another one. So we're going to do 3 across. So make sure that you leave room for 3. Okay, while that's wet, I'm just going to do clean water. I'm going to drop clean water right there and maybe right on top. Okay, if yours isn't spreading, it's because this pink was too dry, but that's okay. Okay, let's do the next one. I'm going to do like a turquoisey color. What color are you doing next?
Yellow.
Oh, I like it. Okay, this guy is going to have thin little spikes coming just from the top middle. Okay, so let's move on to the next color and just make as many as you want, okay? So maybe do one row, another row, okay? Maybe I'll do four rows total.
Blue row.
And some of them add colors into it, some of them don't, whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay, you about done?
Yeah.
I like how some of yours are touching. That's actually really cute.
Thanks.
The next step is we're going to let these dry, so you can walk away. You can grab something thick, like a thick paper to fan it, or you can get a blow dryer. So once they're dry, come back and we'll do the next step. Okay, ours are all dry. So now we're going to grab our markers or our pens. Which one are you going to use, babe?
I'm going to use the marker.
The thicker one? Let's see, which one is that? Not that one. Here it is. You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you want to watch me first?
Sure.
Let's see. I'm going to do some of the birds looking at us and some of the birds looking at the side. So this purple one, I'm going to do little feathers coming out like that. And then I'm doing feathers on the side. And then I'm doing the beak coming off the page like that with one eye because we're looking at it on the side. And a little eyebrow. Okay, this one, I'm going to do it looking at me. So two eyes like that. The beak, triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like that. And then I'm going to do some lines just to represent the feathers coming off the side.
Okay.
As well as little feathers. I'm going to do some legs coming down, cute little bird legs. And they have three little toes coming off. Good. Okay, whatever you want. And I forgot to do them on this bird too, so I'm going to do them on this bird. Cute. Now you can do, well, let me show you another style. Let's do, I'm doing big old wings coming off the side like that. Triangle nose, two eyes and two little feet, two little bird legs. All right, go ahead and design and create however you want to do the rest of them.
Okay.
Okay, you done?
Mm-hmm.
I love it. I want you to tell me which one is your favorite, and I'm going to tell you which one's my favorite.
I like this one the best because it's sleeping.
I like it too. It's like this cute little cuddly bird. My favorite is probably this one because it looks like it has like a mask on or something.
It kind of looks like an owl.
Ooh, it does look like an owl. This is fun. It was so simple and easy, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for painting with me today, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody's going to know who these were painted by if we don't sign our names.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and find somewhere and get it signed. Okay, I'm done. Let's go hang it up.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for painting with us today, guys.
Bye.
Bye.